tila pia, pia na labit. Di ba, Han?
Diva?
Diva, ikaw.
Oh, Vegas. Diva.
Ha? Hala, 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 hala. Stop natin, guys. Stop.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. But anyway, today is Monday and time is off. And papunta siya dito today. So ngayon, early in the morning, mag-ano tayo, i-marinate natin itong roast beef na dinifrost ko last week pa to. So I'm going to marinate this. Ang ano ko lang dito, guys, ang ilagay ko is oil, onion powder, garlic powder, and pepper, and salt. Dito natin siya ilagay. And so yun, marinate natin siya, and then ibalik natin siya sa refrigerator para hindi siya masira, kasi masira, guys. Kasi mamaya pa natin ito lutuin. Yeah, mamaya. I think this one, 2.5 or 3 hours cooking. So, i-rotisserie lang natin siya. Yung magandang rotisserie na nabili ni Bianan. Kami yung gumamit. I'm going to make my hair puni-puni. Tel-tel. Puni-puni, tel-tel. Mag-grocery tayo kasi, you know, sila magluluto tayo and then wala tayong ipares. Walang kapares itong ano. So, ang gagawin ko is going to the store later. Ayun. Wash hand. Mag-wash tayo ng hand. Itong ano ko ba, shirt ko kay, ano siya, sobrang loosen, alagasin. Open everything before we touch, because ako, guys, every time I play with the meat, I have to use one hand to hold a thing, and also open it, because I don't wanna contaminate whatever, because I see a lot of people in YouTube that they are contaminating. I don't know, maybe they wash their hand, but some of them I noticed, you can tell if they wash, because the video is cut, you know, cut, and you can tell if the video is cut by pieces because they wash their hand or doing something. But there is one person that I watch, I'm not gonna mention. Fast forward tayo, guys, para madali. Ngayon, guys, tapos na ako, guys. So, lutuin natin ito mamaya pa birthday natin kay Tami, kasi birthday is walang birthday dito. Pero yeah, wala tayong cake, walang ano. Kailangan kong pumunta sa tindahan para bibili ng card, broccoli rub, and yun lang. Ito lang, at saka broccoli rub, and then rice, kasi ayaw ni Tami ng potato. So, rice lang at saka ito, kasi masarap na ito, at saka broccoli rub, ang sarap na yan. So, yun lang. Simple lang na ano ko kay Tami. And then, lutuin natin ito mamaya. Irarap natin siya. Okay, ilagay natin sa refrigerator basement, and I will be right back. And yeah, after this one, guys, I'm going upstairs to get ready. I still have to clean the office, kasi yung office hindi ko natapos kahapon, kasi naglilinis niya ako at hindi ko natapos. Ang dami ko ding labahan. Guys, tapos na akong nag-ready. Ito, guys, yung damit na binili ko sa Walmart. Alam nyo, may mga times talaga na yung nabili mo na parang pang teenager talaga, na pang bata, yung mga kabataan ko pa, parang nafe-feel ko na hindi man ito bagay sa akin. Ay, yung naalala ko, yung bumili ako ng mga damit noon, mga very colorful, mga ganon. So, ito yung mga time na feeling ko, hindi na ako 20. Hindi na ako 20, oy, 35 na ako. So, sometimes, ma-feel ko na hindi man ito sa akin. Parang hindi appropriate sa edad ko. Pero, simple lang naman siya. Pero yung color niya at saka yung mga pattern, parang naano ko na, hindi man ito bagay sa akin. Pero, naisip ko din na, suotin natin ito. Bakit ba? Kapag 35 na ba, hindi na ba pwedeng magsuot ng mga ganitong color. Anyway, sa isip ko lang yun, guys. And yeah, punta lang ako. Quick grocery shopping lang tayo. And hindi ko na kayo dalhin. Very quick lang talaga. Ang bibilhin ko lang talaga is maghanap ako ng broccoli rub. Wala tayong garlic. Meron akong garlic, guys, pero kunti na lang yung garlic ko. And ano pa ba? Laundry detergent, kasi wala na pala. And egg. Kailangan ko ng egg. Ano pa? I think yun lang yung mga kailangan ko. And quick lang. And then si Tami, pupunta na siya dito. Pero meron pa siyang inasikaso. And also, gusto niyang, I think mag-ano siya, change oil. Car change oil siya. I am home. Nakauwi na ako, guys. Konti lang talaga yung nabili ko, guys. And tinawagan ako ni Tami. Patungo na daw siya dito. Dada will be here. Dada's on the way here. Yes, he is on the way here. Yeah. Anyway, so yun. Glass tayo kasi gusto kong mag-glasses. Para tayong si Bitilapia. Bitilapia, pia na labit. Shoprite, garlic. Bumili ako ng, hala. This is bad. Hala, oy. I got a bad tomato. Hala, oy. Look, guys. Uy, ang bobo ko talaga. Grabe. Kaya tinitignan ako ng babae. Hindi lang nagsabi. Kaluka talaga. Kaluka talaga. Broccoli wrap. Yan. Dalawa dito. And meron ditong dalawa din. 4 lahat. And also we got egg. Hopefully this egg is not broken. And I got Tami rye bread. Yung beef stick na ganito, rye bread. Ito yung gusto niya na bread na kakainin talaga. Naluko ako sa tomato, guys. Ginoo ko. Downy Unstoppables. Kasi, this is cost like, I think, na $11. I think it's 9. Sa Walmart, 9. Sa I don't know bakit $9 sa Walmart. At saka sa Shoprite is $11.99. And nag-sale sila $6.99 na lang. So, kumuha ako isa. Ginoo ko. Daot yun talaga sila, guys. Sira talaga. And then, ilagay natin sa refrigerator para hindi masira. Bumili ako nito kasi, alam nyo, malapit na itong masira lahat talaga. Bumili ako nito kasi yung leftover na beef na lulutuin ko for sure. Marami tayong leftover. Magluto ako nito. Where is your bonesy? Where's your bones? Where is your bonesy? No jumping. I said no jumping. You ruined already my shirt. Tignan nyo, guys, oh. Ito, oh. Sira na. Come this way, right? Let's see, Dada's here. Come here. Come here. Dada's right here. Let's go this one. Come here. Right here. Pabayaan natin. Pabayaan natin. Hala, yung unan andun pa pala. Nakalimutan ko. Dada's here. Hala. Hala, Dada's here.
Hi, puppy.
Hi, baby. Roxy. Nakatingin dito habang nalibang. Tingnan niya. Nagmamadali kasi kaya yun. Look. Hindi lumabas lahat kasi nagmamadali. Kaluka talaga itong si Roxy to. Not yet.
Why are you outside? Hi, puppy. Hey, puppy. I can't, huh?
Okay, I can't. Hala.
Daisy. Daisy's crazy.
Misty, look at Misty, guys.
Anything crazy?
What's your necklace, son?
Anything crazy? Okay. Thank you for kissing. You for anything crazy? Okay.
Misty.
You for anything crazy?
Kaloka.
Yeah. Thank you.
They're so happy, look. Happy, Misty. Look. Hala. I'm hungry, Han. Look, Tommy, guys, buy chicken, frozen chicken for dogs and cats. What are you eating?
Oh, chicken thighs aren't boneless?
Boneless.
No, are these?
No,
Oh, these
doesn't
are
see
not?
anything.
Ah. Why they're more cheaper.
And, of course, bumili na naman siya ng strawberries and salad. Did you finish your salad, Han? It's good, right? Look at Roxy. Pagod si Mr. guys. Mr. Cupido. Kinuha ko na siya. Andito na si Master. Si Master. Lagyan natin ng foil para hindi mahirap linisin mamaya. Kasi dito kasi yung mag-drip yung oil ng rotis ng beef. And ito malinis siya, pero i-wipe ko lang siya konti. Pagod yun, sabi ka niya. Sakit daw yung ulo niya. Sabi ko, sige, matulog ka, mahiga ka. Okay, I'm done. Let's go start cooking that ribs. Oh, the beef, roast beef. So guys, nilagyan ko siya ng ano para pag maghugas tayo, hindi tayo masyadong kudkud ng kudkud dahil yay! Dito na siya. And then mamaya guys, gagawa ako ng pagkatapos ko siyang ilagay doon, gagawa ako ng soy at saka konting oil, soy and oil para i-ano ko siya, para tawag nito, i-banyus. Basta i-banyus, ganun, i-ano ko siya, while nagluluto siya, i-ano-ano ko siya para yung lasa, ganyan, para malasa talaga siya. Kasi alam nyo, nilagyan ko siya ng salt. Depende yan sa meat kasi guys, kapag magluluto kayo nito, kapag sobrang laki ng meat, okay lang yung salt. Marami-rami kasi nasa labas lang naman siya and then mahulog siya habang naluluto siya, so kaya yun. And then, ang laki din ito. Diba, Han?
Diva?
Diva, ikaw?
Las Vegas. Diva?
Ha? Diva, ikaw?
Diva Italiano?
Ha? Viva Italiano? That's not Viva. Diva. Diva Pizzignor.
She's such a diva.
Yeah, I know what is Diva. Where is the bone in this one? Look. Okay, this is good. It fit. It's fit. It's piri. Pira. So, i-ano ko lang siya, guys, ha? Ganito. And then, ganyan. And then, i-ano natin siya. Ang pinakamahirap dito is, ano, ganito, yung paglagay. Oh, hindi siya ano. Dapat i-ano mo to, ganyan, sipa. Ayan. And then pagkatapos niyan, maghugas tayo ng kamoy. Kapag ano na siya, nag-spin, there's a lot of bugs and that's why I close it. They feel the cold here, they wanna come in. I-ano natin itong oil dito. And then, ilagay natin dyan. Kasi maingay siya guys kapag walang oil. Ilagay natin. With the meat na siya. So, yun siya. Hala. I-close natin. And then, i-on. And then, meron na siyang timer dito, guys. I-ano mo lang siya. 3 hours. I will do this for like 2.5 hours. Normal rotate. 2 hours. 2.5 hours, actually. Hala. stop natin guys, stop. Mataas yung ano, I need to kind of move or cut this part. Kasi mataas pala siya dito na area, oh. So, na ano siya, ikakat ko lang siya dito na area para hindi siya sobrang taas. Hala, yung bone, andito pala yung bone. May bones pala dito. Hala, eh. Sundangin natin. Tignan natin ba kung mag-ano ba siya. Na, ano lagi siya, eh. Ay. Okay na, hindi na siya ano nagtatouch doon na part. Dapat siyang bantayan, guys. Hala. Ba't yung ano, may aso? May aso, guys. Look at that. Because it's
Yeah.
and that's also over there. It's like it's ruin na ruin.
Yeah, because this side, it's not sounded quite right. So that's all right.
Huh?
It's okay.
I hope it's not gonna keep moving later. Hello guys, nag-alala ako guys dahil para siyang nabibigatan like that and then pataas na siya para siyang nabibigatan. Look, para siyang mag-push. Oh my god, looks like it's pretty close to the other side, so I really have to freaking pay attention or else I have to take it out early now. I have to cut it more, I guess. Can I stop it now? Hindi perfecto guys. Oy, naano na baya yung fat, oh. Parang nag-turn na siya, nag-turn. So guys, ito yung broccoli wrap. Lutuin niya natin soon. Very soon. So toyo. Usually yung ano ko is yung usually yung ilagay ko doon hindi soy, pero nahurot kasi. Natapos na kasi yon. So yung ano ba, yung Maggi sabor, yun yung ano ko talaga panggamit doon. Lagyan ko siya ng konting oil para mag-stick siya doon. They have something. Ah, Julie?
Yeah.
Yeah, Julie left because of her husband. Her husband accused of sexual assault.
Yeah, I got it.
But she's still involved in the show, in the TV CBS, like Big Brother. She's still the host, but she doesn't want to be part of this because talking of issues.
That's part of the conversation.
Yeah.
I'm sure.
What?
I'm sure there's plenty to talk about there, aren't there?
They talk about that when that happened. They talk. Sarah also left because Sarah Gilbert. She left because she have a new show with the Connor, and she's still producing this. She's still involved but not talking in front of the camera. So ito siya guys. We need a smaller version of this for cooking here. Tommy get this long one for barbecue. Yeah, but well,
Be a small one.
we don't have one. Yun guys, ganyan. Simple. Flip-flop, over. Yeah. Yeah. Simple thing. Use it, Tommy. Remember that? Okay. And i-close natin.
So, come on.